going to show you Surface Satin Stitch. A little bit of a mouthful there. Surface Satin Stitch looks exactly like satin stitch, but is purely on the surface, so you're not building up bulk on the back. See, it's a clever name. It's going to come up one side, and I'm working on the outside of this shape to try and keep my stitches nice and even. Going to go down on the opposite side. Now normally you would return to the side you first started on and come up and go down that side, and you would always be working on the side that you first started from. But because we're not going to do the full stitch on the back, we're going to come up next to where we just went down. So where you come down is where you need to come back up again. You get as close as you can to the hole, and the only problem is if you come up the hole that you just went down, then you undo your stitch. But apart from that, it is quite an easy stitch. It has the same issues as satin stitch in that it needs to be incredibly straight and incredibly smooth to get a really nice finish. But this will save you a little bit of thread. And when we've done, we will have a little look at the back so you can see what it looks like at the back. So this is Surface Satin Stitch. You can see on the back it's all on the surface. There's no stitching on the back. Occasionally you might do it by accident, but if you're keeping your stitches on top, that means you can do further stitching on top without trying to get through all the layers, or you could just be trying to save on thread.